Anong
Mhm.
pakiramdam? You got not just one, not just two, but four yeses and standing ovation sa isang kompetisyon na kasing laki at sobrang sikat like BGT.
Uh, uh, it still feels unreal. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala because um, a- a- pinangarap ko lang ito dati eh. Hindi ko inisip na mangyayari. Like it's just somehow impossible. Like I it just feels unreal. It still feels like it's a dream.
Up to now ba, nag-sink in na sa'yo? Na you got that yeses and you got that recognition.
I mean, nakikita ko yung video, pero hindi siya nagsisink in sa akin like it's me. It hasn't synced in yet. Nakakatawa lang kasi hindi ko ina-expect like anything will happen or I hindi.
Gets, gets.
I don't think it will sink in.
Hmm. It will be forever inside of you. Diba?
Yes, yes.
Na naggrabe talaga yung ganong pakiramdam. Now let's talk about your audition piece. I mean, we've known you o madalas ka na sumasali ng mga singing contest dito sa Philippines. And alam talaga namin biritera ka. Why did you choose Run to You as your audition piece?
Um, so Run to You. First of all, dedicated ko siya sa asawa ko, to my husband. And I just feel safe with the song. I feel like nakaka-relate ako so much sa kanta and something that has never been done before in BGT. So doing the research and like anong pwede kong kantahin and ayokong kantahin yung mga kanta na nakanta na before so para maiwasan yung comparison and yeah, so Run to You was like the final choice and it means a lot to me and especially to be able to embody the song and to make it my own as well. Para gusto ko lang ipakita kung ano yung meaning ng song sa akin really and that's why we chose Run to You.